Chapter number 2, Pythagoras Theorem. Problem set 2, example number 5 star. Find the length of the side and the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose height is under root 3 centimeter. In this equilateral triangle, we have given the height of this equilateral triangle is under root 3, and let us consider the side is A. Then we have already know that area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height, and we study the formula of area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 side square. Using this, we can solve this example. Let us consider sides of equilateral triangle is A. Height is given under root 3. Hence, area of equilateral triangle by our formula of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Hence, area of equilateral triangle is equal to 1 upon 2. Base is A and height is under root 3. This is our first equation. By using the formula of area of equilateral triangle, the formula is area of equilateral triangle is equal to under root 3 upon 4 a square. That is our second equation. From equation first and second, that is 1/2 into a into under root 3 is equal to under root 3 upon 4 into a square. Both equation are the area of triangle, equilateral triangle. Hence, both sides are equal. Then in left hand side a and right hand side a square, 1a will be cancelled. Under root 3 left hand side, right hand side, that will be also cancelled. Hence, remaining is 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 4 into a. We have to find a, that is the side of equilateral triangle. Hence, by simplification, a is equal to 2. Hence, we have right here side of equilateral triangle are 2 meter. We have to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is nothing but 3 times side, that is 3 into 2, that is 6. Hence, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 6 meter. Example number 7 star. Triangle ABC an equilateral triangle. Point P is on base BC such that PC is equal to 1 upon 3 into BC. If AB is equal to 6 semi, find AP. In this example, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Point P on BC such that we have given PC is equal to 1/3 of BC. Then we have taken point D such that D is a midpoint of BC. From this figure, if we join AP and AD, that is BD is equal to CD, because D is a midpoint of BC, and equilateral triangle, each and every side are equal. AC is equal to BC, and we have given side are 6 semi. In an equilateral triangle, triangle ABC, PC is equal to 1/3 of BC. Let us consider D is a midpoint of BC. Then DC is equal to DP plus PC, because we have given between S, point P is between point B and C. DC is nothing but 1/2 of the BC, because D is a midpoint. Hence, instead of DC, we have write BC upon 2, DP as it is. PC is given BC upon 3. We have to find DP. Hence, DP is equal to BC upon 2 minus BC upon 3. By simplification, DP is equal to BC upon 6. We have given BC is a 6, hence 6 upon 6, that is DP is equal to 1. In an equilateral triangle, every side are equal, hence opposite to that side every angle also equal. Sum of 3 angles is 180, hence each and every angle is 60 degree. In triangle ADC, angle DAC is 30 degree and angle ACD is 60 degree. Hence, opposite side of 60 degree is a under root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. Thus we write here AD is equal to under root 3 upon 2 AC, because the height of equilateral triangle. Hence AD is equal to under root 3 upon 2 into AC is given 6 upon 2, that is 3. Hence AD is equal to 3 under root 3. The reason AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 6 is given side of equilateral triangle. In right angle triangle, triangle ATP is equal to, by Pythagoras theorem, AP square is equal to AD square plus DP square. Hence AP square is equal to 1 square plus into bracket 3 under root 3 bracket square. AP square is equal to 1 square, that is 1, 3 into under root 3 square, that is 3 square 9, Under root 3 square is 3, hence 9 into 3. Next step, AP square is equal to 1 plus 27 is equal to 1 plus 27 is equal to 28. Square root of both sides. AP is equal to under root 28. 28 is 4 into 7. 4 is a complete square. The root of 4, that is 2, remaining under root 7. Hence AP is equal to 2 into under root 7 centimeter. Thus we have find the value of AP is equal to 2 into under root 7 centimeter. Problem set 2. Example number 10. Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and to the north respectively from the same point and at the same speed. After 2 hours, distance between them was 15 under root 2 kilometer. Find their speed per hour. From our example, we have taken this figure. In this figure, let us consider M for Prasad to the north side. L is a Pranali to the east. Both are started from point N at the same time and at the same speed. After 2 hours from N L, that is distance for Pranali, N M, that is the distance for Prasad. After 2 hours, distance between them, that is ML, is 15 under root 3. NM and NL are the distance covered by both in 2 hours. Let us consider in 1 hour M, that is Prasad on point A and Pranali on point B. If we join this AB, that NB is the distance covered in 1 hour and NA also distance covered by Prasad in 1 hour. NB and NA is also speed of both in 1 hour. If we join AB in triangle MNL, AB is parallel to the ML and A and B are the midpoint of MN and ML. By BPT theorem, AB is nothing but 1/2 of the ML. In triangle MNL, point A and B are the midpoint of MN and ML. Hence, AB is equal to ML upon 2. The reason is midpoint and BPT theorem. Substituting the value ML, AB is equal to 15 under root 2 upon 2. 15 upon 2, that is 7.5. Hence AB is equal to 7.5 under root 2. In triangle ANB, AN and NB, distance covered by the same speed in 1 hour that are equal, that is also speed of the both of Prasad and Pranali. In triangle ANB, AN is equal to NB. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AN square plus NB square. Reason is Pythagoras theorem. Hence AB square is equal to, substitute the value of NB is NA. Hence AB square is equal to twice AN square. Substituting the value of AB, we have already calculated 7.5 under root 2 bracket square is equal to 2AN square. 7.5 bracket square under root 2 square, that is 2AN square. Hence 7.5 bracket square is equal to AN square. 2 get cancel. Taking the square root of both sides, we get AN is equal to 7.5. Negative root is not taken here because speed are in positive. Hence, Pranali and Prasad speed per hour is 7.5 km per hour.